This is Darren Wormer live from the Pylon Sports Center with quarterback Dom Hobdy.
How you doing, man?
Doing well. Two throwing touchdowns and one rushing. How were you able to be so effective today?
Hey, they drop back everybody. I mean, check down. Nobody's open. Get it and go. 3 seconds, let the ball go or run. Get down.
Nice. Well, you guys, it was a convincing 24-14 victory.
Yeah.
What did you guys do different as opposed to other weeks where you came out and shot them in the mouth?
Yeah, we played consistent D. We got a couple turnovers. Normally we get a couple drops, give up fourth down, penalties in the second half. No penalties in the second half. Kept the ball, defense. Let's go. We all on the same page right now.
Nice.
One goal.
Now let's talk about your second play where you rushed for 35 yards. You took hits. You were swinging, twirling.
Hey.
I think that was the turning point. What did you do different to, I guess, let your natural athleticism take over?
Nothing, man. You just got to really want it. When players want the ball in the end of the play, you think touchdown, touchdown, no first downs. We want touchdowns. My team needs it, and I came through.
Now, what is this going to do to launch you guys to the playoffs?
Hey, man, get everybody on the same page. Everybody got one goal, one team, one band, one sound. Let's go. Christmas in July, baby. Christmas in July.
To take over the leadership.
Excellent.
It's all year. There we go, baby. Let's go.
Well, this is Darren Wormer with quarterback Dom Hobdy. Congratulations on the victory for IGL Weekly. Back to you.